question 3. So remember, factorising means putting the brackets in, so we need to find the highest common factor in both of these terms. What's the biggest number that goes into 14 and 35? Well, that's 7. So 7 open bracket. 7 multiplied by what gives us 14x? Well, that's 2x. Get the sign right, that's a minus. And 7 times what gives us 35? Well, that's 5. Always can check a factorising just by doing the reverse process, just by expanding. 7 times 2x is 14x. 7 times minus 5 is minus 35. Now part B is just 2 lots of the above, really. Two lots of the bit I just described, the expanding. So we've got a couple of claws. So 3 times 2c is 6c. 3 times minus 5 is minus 15. Minus 2 times c is minus 2c. Minus 2 times minus 4, be careful, that's plus 8. A minus times a minus is a plus. So that's finished with the expanding. Remember, expanding just means get rid of the brackets. And then when we need to do the simplifying, that's the gathering the like terms. So gather up your c's. We've got 6c, take away 2c, which is 4c, and minus 15, add 8, which is minus 7. Now for part C, remember we're squaring everything with inside the bracket, so that's 4e cubed multiplied by 4e cubed. A whole lot of multiplying, so we can just adjust the order. 4 times 4 is 16, and following the index law, e to the power of 3 times e to the power of 3. When we're multiplying, we add the powers, so that's e to the power of 6. Now for part D, where we're expanding a pair of brackets, we need to do a couple of claws. So it doesn't matter which order you do it in, but I like to do it this way. Take your first term a and multiply that by both terms in the second bracket. So a times 2a is 2a squared. A times minus 1 is minus a. Then move on to the second term in the first bracket, the plus 5, and multiply that by both terms in the second bracket. 5 times 2a is plus 10a. 5 times minus 1 is minus 5. So again, that's finished the expanding, the getting rid of the brackets, and now the simplifying, the gathering like terms. Well, the only like terms that can be gathered are the a's in the middle. So we've got 2a squared, minus a plus 10a is plus 9a, and then the minus 5 to finish.